Travelers who booked trips to the Hawaiian island devastated by wildfires are seeking to cancel. The Maui wildfires are causing people who had intended to travel to the island to look to their travel insurance and credit cards to obtain a refund for the plans they had booked but that they now intend to cancel. Many people who had intended to head to the Hawaiian island now want refunds for their trips. This unfortunate situation is being used by many agents as a reminder to clients about the importance of purchasing travel insurance. Those without it are struggling to be able to obtain refunds. Tourists who booked their trips to Maui typically did so long before the Maui fires began. There was no way for them to know that these massive, fast-moving blazes would tear through the island. Coverage helps to make sure the substantial financial investment made into vacations will be recoverable, in part or entirely, in the event that something like this should happen. Consumers without travel insurance are advised to check to see if they're covered through their credit cards. Though it's typically preferable to purchase a policy before going on a trip, many credit cards will include a certain amount of travel insurance coverage for trips paid for using the card. Therefore, would-be vacationers seeking refunds for trips they have had to cancel due to the Maui wildfires are being advised to check out what coverage could be available to them through their cards. Even if it might not be as good as purchasing a separate policy, it might still offer some opportunity for partial refunds. Though higher-end cards with an annual fee are the most likely to offer this type of coverage, even some no-fee cards will offer some protection. It is typically worth it to check, just in case the coverage is indeed there. Of course, it is also important to be sure that coverage, whether through a credit card or a policy, covers that type of peril. There isn't much of a standard when it comes to this type of coverage, so it's a good idea to read the type of included coverage and exclusions before purchasing a policy and before attempting to make a claim on one you have. Thank you for following LIN. Make sure to hit subscribe and sign up for our weekly newsletter today.